I got a tub faucet, leaking water. It's a Valley. Alright, replace the cartridge and the seats and springs. Tool out. Valley single handle. Cap off. Hopefully these shutoffs behind here work. I'll have to get in, shut the lines off going to the tub. That one's out. That one's out. Alright. Here's the two shutoffs. The cold, the hot. Hopefully they work. Let's see here. Cold. Oh, that one's tight. Let's go. Just work it back and forth. Probably hasn't been turned off in a long time. Alright, this one here, the packing needs tightened up. See the water leaking out of there. Alright, let's try it out. Oh, it's off. Alright. Now that's off. Take this nut off here. These are in there good. Just gotta work it out. It's the old cartridge. And now there's two old seats and springs in here. That's what's keeping it right in here. One there, one there. Got to get those out too. And sometimes they can be tough. Wiggling. There it comes. There's that one. And there's that one. Alright. Good. Put them both on. Now in the kit, I don't use any of these O-rings. Cartridge already comes with everything on it. Just got 2 seats, springs, and these little plastic things here. Let's go in the springs, and the washers go right on top. I use this tool to pop it in, holds it on for me. There's the one. There's the other. Oh, just sprung out. Try that again. Alright, now we're okay. The new Valley cartridge. Take the band off. I always grease up the O-rings just because you're the next guy coming back later to rebuild it next time it leaks, so I want to make it easier as possible to get out for the next time.
So you can use KY lube too also?
Oh yeah, that'll work great. Okay, got that there. And you'll see there's a little thing here that sits out further, goes on the left. Okay. Now, what I do also, I put a little bit of the silicone waterproof grease here on the threads too, just to, so then the nut goes on easy. Up. Get the tool, tighten this locking ring up a little bit. There we go. Alright, now make sure it's down, it's off. Now we'll turn the water back on. Cold. There's the hot. Now what I like to do is tighten these up after I open the water back up, just to make sure nothing's leaking out of there. Alright, now I'm going to try to tighten this up. Turn. Oh yeah, that one was really loose. I don't want anything leaking out of there. Alright, this one looks pretty good on the cold side. Alright, I tightened it up. Alright, now we'll test it out. Hot, cold. plate back lined up. Okay, now we'll put a fresh bead of caulking around that. We're gonna put this style handle on. It's another Valley handle, but the original one here is a little hard for her to turn. Looks like that. This one here, give her a little more leverage to maneuver it around. So. Okay, and that's rebuilding the Valley tub faucet.